A well-designed and run loyalty program is only one aspect of your overall customer experience and retention strategy. When used to its full effect, it's quite simple. A business that retains its customers for longer is more profitable. Simple sounding, yes. Simple to do, not always. Loyalty programs that drive customer engagement put the customer before the business. They show the customer that we see them as a person, not just as dollars coming in the door. To make them work for the long term, they need to change over time or risk losing their value and interest. How can you make sure that your loyalty program pays off? Focus on acquiring data, not just repeat visits. Rewards are not enough. Being smart about it means developing a program to find out information about what changes or offerings would most likely make them come back for more. Win back defectors. You can use your program to focus on the lost customers rather than just gaining new ones. The advantages are you probably already have information on their history, where they are, how to reach them, and their preferred communication channels. You just have to tap into the knowledge you have. Develop a core offer that can't be refused. Companies with the highest levels of loyal customers have achieved that loyalty because of a dependable core offering that appeals. The data from a good loyalty program will help improve this core offer by tailoring and moulding it to delight, surprise, and exceed expectations. What do the stats say about loyalty programs? Recent research focused on the Australian loyalty market revealed that 88% of people over the age of 16 were members of a loyalty program. Not only that, but 11% were members of more than 10 different programs. Another interesting discovery was that while men are members of fewer programs, they're actually more active in those than women. But here's the catch. 41% of customers felt that loyalty programs don't offer enough value to entice them to participate actively. Financial rewards are still the most sought-after benefits from customer loyalty programs. So, what are some secrets to a successful program? Let me give you some hot tips. Gain buy-in from your customers by finding out what they really want and need. Reward only the right behaviours that creates a win-win for the customer and your business. Look out for patterns that tell you why customers leave and be agile in your response. Look at your customers' loyalty needs throughout their life cycle with your product or service. How does it change? How can you anticipate what they need in the future? Make sure the rewards are attainable. Keep the program simple to understand and use. And lastly, measure all campaigns and results continually so you know if you're hitting the mark or if you need to steer to another course.